Volcano eruption warnings to improve after a major discovery has been made in extremely complex systems. Scientists may be on the verge of improving early warning systems for volcanic eruptions. This is after an analysis of lava samples revealed the secrets of what is happening with the Earth's crust. A research team from the University of Queensland in Australia led the study, and it found what was previously thought about lava from hotspot volcanoes could be wrong. It was previously thought the lava from these volcanoes was pristine magma from the melting mantle, tens of kilometers under the Earth's surface. But now, according to the team and Dr. Teresa Ubaid from the University of Queensland, she says this is not the case. She says for decades we've considered hotspot volcanoes to be messengers from the Earth's mantle, offering us a glimpse into what's happening beneath our feet. But these volcanoes are extremely complex inside and filter a very different melt to the surface than what we've been expecting. This is due to the volcano's intricate plumbing system that forces many minerals in the magma to crystallize. Dr. Ubaid also said the minerals get recycled by rising magma, changing their overall chemistry to make them appear as pristine. This is a crucial new piece of evidence to help us better understand how ocean island volcanoes work. She said we have discovered that hotspot volcanoes filter their melts to become highly eruptible at the base of the Earth's crust, situated several kilometers below the volcano, she said. Kindly support my Patreon account since YouTube has again demonetized my YouTube channel. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below. So in other words, changes are made at the base of the volcano. She says the close monitoring of volcanoes can indicate when magma reaches the base of the crust, where this filtering process reaches the tipping point, and that leads to an eruption. She says our results support the notion that detection of magma at the crust mantle boundary could indicate an upcoming eruption. This new information takes us one step closer to improving the monitoring of volcanic unrest, which aims to protect lives, infrastructure, and crops. Hotspot volcanoes, as we know, can be found on the island of La Palma, which is now erupting, in the Canary Islands in the Atlantic, also Hawaii in the Pacific, and Australia. They are known for making up some of the world's most spectacular landscapes. The team of researchers from University of Queensland analyzed the new rock samples from the island of El Hierro in the Canary Islands, which is just southwest of Morocco. They combined the data with other geochemical data from El Hierro, including the underwater eruptions that took place in 2011 and 12, and the team then tested the findings on data from ocean island hotspot volcanoes around the globe, such as, of course, Hawaii. Dr. Ubaid said hotspot volcanoes can pop up anywhere, as opposed to most other volcanoes that occur due to tectonic plates crashing into each other, like the Ring of Fire volcanoes in Japan or New Zealand, or tectonic plates moving away from each other, creating, for example, the Atlantic Ocean. Southeast Queensland hotspot volcanoes, that's where we had the 6 magnitude earthquake in Australia. Southeast Queensland hotspot volcanoes were active millions of years ago. They produced enormous volumes of magma and make excellent laboratories to explore the roots of volcanism. There are even dormant volcanoes in South Australia that could erupt with little warning, she said, and that would benefit from better geological markers for early detection. So that's the news on volcanic eruptions and what they've discovered, that chemical changes take place just before the eruptions. So this is what's happening with volcanology. This is by Jacob Paul, Express UK. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support.